Motion diagrams. Motion is nothing but the change of an object's position or orientation with time. Trajectory is the path along which an object moves. It can be straight line or curved line. There are 4 basic types of motion: straight line motion, circular motion, projectile motion, rotational motion. Now, let's understand what motion diagram is. Motion diagram is nothing but a composite image showing an object at several equally spaced instants of time. Note: motion diagrams are a pictorial description of an object's motion. Imagine a car which is driving along the street. Now, you take a picture of car at regular time interval. You will get an image, something similar to what we have shown on the left side. If you composite these images or superimpose these images on top of each other, then you will get an image, something similar to what we have shown in the right side. Note: car is equally spaced points, and same amount of time is elapsed between each image and next. Few examples of motion diagram. In below image, skateboarder images are equally spaced, which indicate that an object is moving with a constant speed. In below image of runner, an increasing distance between subsequent images is observed, which indicate that the object is speeding up. In below image of car, a decreasing distance between subsequent images is observed, which indicate that the object is slowing down. In below image of basketball, we observe change in speed and direction of ball in subsequent images. This motion diagram is complex one as compared to first 3 examples. Note: for simplicity, the object is represented by a simple shape, such as a filled circle. It contains information about object positions at particular time instances. Therefore, a motion diagram is more informative than a path. To know more, sign up to www.lynxe.in.